Hello, this is Jerry with Alpha Association Management. I just want to take a few minutes and show you how to submit a rental request. So once you're logged in, you can go right down here to New Reservation. Click on that. Then you'll choose Reservation Request. Fill in these two drop-ins. And here you'll be able to now view the calendar for the amenity that you have chosen. So if it's wide open like this, it is available, and you can pick the block of time or block of times, whatever that you choose. In the event there is a pending reservation, like we will see here on April 1st, this shows that it's tentative and you would not be able to rent that time block or this day, depending on how your association is set up for rentals. Another example, if we go to the next day, this was a bigger block of time blocked out, so you would not be able to rent anything in this period of time either. So if we go forward a couple of days, now we have a block of time that is available. And so then we can go ahead and scroll down, and you can back these out if you've been jumping around and pushing buttons. So we want to choose March 5th. We want to go from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and you can name the event whatever you would like. Nobody else can see this. So you can put in the event name and event details. Make sure that you download and fill out your application so that that's ready to go. And once that is done, you can select the file, find your application that you've saved, save that here, and then we will hit submit. Once it's submitted, you will get an email saying that it was submitted, and then it will give you further instructions letting you know that we need to review it, and once it's approved, then you will get subsequent emails. So now if you go back to your dashboard, you can see that this is now on the calendar as a tentative reservation. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.